Guys, I'm gonna install the oil filter because now it's easy accessible. Got the oil filter and it's the high flow HF 160. Hop. Lubricate the rubber seal a bit like this. Okay, I took the drain plug out because I don't gonna fill it up with oil right away. Still have to install the oil cooler. So I have always a reminder that there isn't any oil into there because I have the filler plug, the drain plug over there. Now let's see, guys. Got the oil filter, the cap. Hopefully, holy shit, not that good. I hate this a bit. Okay, we're gonna screw it on. Yes. The oil filter needs to be torqued with 11 Newton meters. So we're gonna set it to 11. Yes, there he is. Okay. Then screw it back. Free play. Hop. Yes. And now I take this one. One size fits all. And then we yes. Most important thing, torqued. Yes. So now let's move on. Guys, we're gonna fill this baby up with oil. I got the old drain plug washer, got a new copper one. Gonna clean it. Okay, and this is Torx. What? Okay, it's Torx 50. It needs to be torqued with 28 Newton meters. Is that easy? Well, if you have a torque wrench. Oh, whoops, that's over there. Nope, wait a minute. 6 over there. Lock it. Yes. First we're gonna clean it. You can't miss it. It's the lowest bolt somewhere underneath the engine. And nicely cleaned it. Screw this one in. Okay. Oh, oops, come on. Yes. Hop. Torque wrench. Okay, And of course, check, torqued, up, torqued. Now, we go to the other side and fill it with 3.5 liters. Can't fire up the engine at this moment, so I'm gonna pour in 3.5 liters for now. And later on we're gonna top it off. Put my torque wrench back, free play, drag, okay, hop, hop. And we move on. Going to the other side. Guys, the first thing I always do is clean my funnel. You never know what has creeped in. And I don't want to have sand. No. Up, up. Always do is up, and then push it out over here. Up. Nicely clean. This one open. Up, up. Then I use Castrol Power RS 10W40. Great oil. Never had a problem with it. So, up. Then it is, let's see, how many? It's 4 liters. So we're gonna pour in 3.5. These days Castrol isn't that nice red looking oil anymore. Castrol, I loved it. Now it's just like any other oil, gold. Castrol put in the dye. We love it. See. Oh. Let's see. It's now at just above 3 liters. Not 3 liters, I mean. Whoop. Then it's now just below, just more of 3 liters. So pour in some more. Whoop, big day. Okay, just tiny bit more, and then we are at 3.5 liters. Let's see. Just a bit more. Just a squirt. 3.5 is 3.5, guys. Eh? Yes. Now, so yes, this will do. We're going to top off it later on when when we can start up the engine. We're going to top it off. Right now it's, yeah. Okay, now guys, let's move on.